This is Mark Rathjen from C.O.R.E Physical Therapy and Sports Performance. And today I have a special video for you entitled The Magnificent Seven. No, it's not a movie from the 1960s. Well, okay, it is, but in this context it is not. It is 7 easy to do foam rolling exercises for mobility, stability, and generalized mobility for exercise. 7 easy exercises can be done anywhere, anytime, by anyone, safely, effectively, and easily. My favorite 7 exercises, and I will show them and share them with all of you.
The first of the 7 is called lumbar extension. It's really simple actually. Just extend your lumbar spine with your rear end supported on the ground as you casually and passively arch over the foam roller in this fashion. Grab one leg at a time, do about 10 reps each side. Nice and easy. Exercise number 2 is for thoracic extension. Make sure that your shirt's in place, of course, because it will roll up underneath the roller, but make sure that you're going up and down on the thoracic spine, extending the upper body, shoulders, all in one simple motion. Nice and easy. You might get a couple clicks and pops. That's normal. They shouldn't be painful. Number 3 is the latissimus dorsi rollout, or shoulder blade rollout, to be more precise. This is the most brutal of all of them, to be honest, at least in my opinion. Make sure you roll both sides, keep that shoulder blade pinched together with the other one and retracted into the thoracic spine. Again, be careful with this one. Make sure you do it nice and easy. Both sides, 10 reps each. Again, nice and easy. Number 4 is the IT band stretch, except this is modified slightly because we're going to do it on the glute medius up by the hip, because that's the actual contractile structure of the IT band. You can roll the IT band until you're blue in the face. It's not going to really stretch out because it's not really designed to do that. So spend some time rolling out up higher on the IT band around the hip musculature, and you will find some trigger points, and they will be a little bit uncomfortable. But again, less uncomfortable than a traditional IT band roll, and this is much more appropriate than the traditional. Number 5 is the traditional hamstring stretch with a little twist with the roller. Just position your body as shown above and just roll out. Grab the toes. If you can't grab the toes, grab your shins, grab your ankle, do whatever you can. Just make sure you keep a neutral position with your lumbar spine, thoracic spine, and cervical spine. Both sides, 10 reps. Gradually and progressively. Again, the ultimate goal is to easily be able to grab your toes. Number 6, the Piriformis rollout. You put yourself in a figure 4 position as described above. Make sure you lean towards the side that's crossed over, again in the video, and roll out. It's going to be a short and controlled motion, and try not to fall off of the roller itself, but this is a fantastic hip opener stretch and pre-stretch for squatting. It's also very, very effective for people who with sciatic pain or even lumbar pain, depending on the cause. Last but not least is the quad stretch. And that can be done two different ways. You can do it with the hip opening stretch with your foot flat on the ground as the position shown above, or you can do it in a different position with your leg kind of out to the side in a frog position. One is going to stretch the quad more, the other one will stretch as a hip opener more. They can be done together or separately depending on what your actual goal is and where you're tighter. Again, where you feel it the most is where you're going to want to be. If you are feeling extra fun and you want to add a little flair to this stretch, go ahead and do a little active range of motion at the knee to vary the quad resistance during the exercise. So be a little bit more fun, a little bit more interesting, and a little more effective.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything that's on your mind regarding the Magnificent 7, that is, please let me know. Leave some comments for me and some questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.